Hey guys, this is Jeremy again here at Palm Harbor Homes in Conroe, and I'll tell you about a huge sale we have going on in October. It's our Christmas in October sale. What is the event? You get $2,500 off any home here on the lot, any special order home. We have red tags home available. Those homes have $5, $10, $15, $20,000 in discounts available. Or Christmas is on us. We'll give you a 55-inch TV, a cordless Dyson vacuum, a Ring doorbell, a Ring spotlight, a free microwave, a free Nintendo Wii, and a gas grill for Pops. We got it all covered, your choice. Huge discount, gift package, or $2,500 off a custom ordered home. I'd also like to tell you about some lending partners that we have. They're also doing a special this time of year. They're offering 90 days without payments. So not only do you get the deal of a lifetime, you have 90 days to catch up, get through the holidays, get mom and dad that perfect gift, pay your first payment in January. Free food, our lenders will be on site to give you immediate pre-approvals. Our factory reps will be here to tell you why Palm Harbor offers more home for your money, best built homes on the market. We'll have the VP of the company here to explain why you hire all this wonderful people. We'll have everybody here to give you all the reasons to buy a Palm Harbor home. My name is Jeremy. You can reach me at 936-275-6565, or you can find us at Palm Harbor Homes in Conroe, or come by and take a look. We're at 1488 on I-45 South. We're here every day. Give us a call, come by. Christmas in October, so man, we look forward to meeting you.